Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a fudge bar cake. I use 5 Fudgee bars. Remove the wax paper and cut them in half. In a bowl, add 250 milliliters of cream. Whisk until fluffy. Add 160 milliliters of condensed milk and mix thoroughly. Place half of the Fudgee bars in a container and scoop out about half the mixture on top of the bars. Place the rest of the bars in the container, just leave out a small piece, and scoop out the remaining mixture. Crumble the remaining piece on top and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. There you have a very easy to make and delicious cake. Please give the video a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for watching.